Hello everyone. I just want to make sure you see how to get into Reading Eggs and make sure you're taking your placement tests the correct way. So when you go into our Google Classroom, you click on Classwork at the top, come down on the left side to Websites, and the most recent one should be Reading Eggs Login. You would only have this if you're one of the 10 students who has a Reading Eggs account. So we're going to open up this PDF and you would click on your link under your name. I also recommend you write down your login and your password so that you can get in the future without having to keep coming back to this page. So when you do that, so I'm going to log in as Kleesman. And when you put your login information in, you want to make sure you click on Reading Eggs. And then when you click on My Lessons, the number 1, it's going to come up with a placement test. So you want to make sure you click the green placement test. If you start here, it's automatically going to start you at the lowest level. So you want to make sure you get to show what you know first. Okay?
I'm ready.
Make sure when you take your test that you're being very honest, you're doing all the work yourself, and then don't forget to log out of your account when you're done and save this at the top as add it as a bookmark to your favorites so that you don't have to keep going back to Google Classroom to log in. And that's all.